Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a clean, modern digital business card using Canva. Once you open Canva, go to the search bar at the top and type digital business card. Canva will display a large collection of ready-made templates in different styles, colors, and layouts. Scroll through the options and choose a design that matches your brand or personal style. When you find one you like, click on it, then click. Customize this template to open it in the editor. The first thing you'll want to do is update the profile photo. Go to the left sidebar, click Uploads, then select Upload Files. Choose your photo from your device, and once it uploads, drag it directly into the image frame on the card. It will automatically replace the placeholder. Next, edit the text by clicking on each section. Update your name, job title, phone number, email, website, social media links, or any other information you want to include. You can also change the fonts, colors, and layout if you want to personalize it even more. Once everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Share. Then choose Download. Select your preferred file format. PNG works well for digital use, and download your final digital business card. And that's it. You now have a fully customized digital business card you can send, share, or use anywhere online.